Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix the login error on the Textra SMS application. Now there are three methods which you can use. The first and the most simple method is to go to your application menu and then find the Textra application by scrolling down. Once you've found the Textra application, simply long press on the icon and then go ahead and simply uninstall it. After you've uninstalled Textra, go to Play Store and then hit the search option and then click on the search bar and then type in Textra and then hit the search option again and then reinstall it into your device. Now, if this method doesn't work for you, simply go to Play Store again and then search for Textra again like this, and once it appears on your screen, if the update button appears on your screen, go ahead and click on that update button. After your Textra application is up to date, it should start working smoothly. Now if that also doesn't work for you, don't worry, I have another method in store for you. Now in this method, you will have to go to the settings application on your device, and once the settings menu appears on this screen, scroll down and find this apps option and click on it. Once you click on the apps option, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply click on this all apps option. Now after you click on the all apps option, all the applications will be shown on this menu. Now you can go ahead and scroll down and find the Textra application, or you can just simply search for it using the search bar on the top right corner of the screen by typing in Textra, and once the application pops up, simply click on it. After you click on it, on this screen, firstly click on this force stop option on the right hand side of your screen and then click on OK, and after that find the storage and cache option and click on it. Once you click on that option, you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply click on this clear cache option, and after you do that, your Textra application will be running smoothly and your login error will be fixed. I hope this video helped you to fix your login error on Textra. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.